It's Chad back with another episode of Lean with Manufacturing, and today we're in the cage department over here in Wirecrafters where we package all of our hardware. This was actually one of the first projects that we put together as part of our Lean journey. We probably did it before we even really knew what Lean was. We were just looking at ways to make improvements. So this department here, we package all the hardware, put it in a box so that you guys can install your cages. When we very first started, we were probably, I'd say 4 to 5 full-time employees, probably 3 to 4 part-time employees on a daily basis. We spent a lot of labor up here. And one of the things we noticed was what was taking us so long is everything was in a location. It was either just kind of by where they thought it should go, or maybe by alphanumeric order based on the part number. So the operators would come through and they would have to hunt and peck where they're gonna get their parts from. Where's this nut at today? Where's this bolt at today? Where's this pack at today? So we create bin locations for everything. And then we started putting our cage list off, alphanumeric by bin location rather than part number, and everything has a standard home location now. So when the operator gets up here to do his job for the day, they'll grab a piece of paper and it'll tell them, start at the top, work your way around, and you'll work in a continuous loop all day long. It shows you exactly where every part is. So they'll come to booth E6 right here. E6, I need 5 of these. They'll pull 5 out, mark 5 on the paperwork, put it in the box, and then move on to the next one. They're never having to cross over each other. It also helps because this is a small, compact area. So if the operators are always working in the same flow, they're not usually tripping over each other or getting each other's way. It's allowed us to take it from the labor we had now. We basically run this with about 2 full-time operators, maybe 2.5 sometimes if we have some extra work to do. But we've cut labor substantially because of this improvement. One of the best ones led by our team yet.